Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to revise Unit 1. So I hope you all have your Unit 1 notes. Also take your book and be attentive. Use this revision time. Before that, let me show you the portion. Our government reduced some portions. Before that, you have to know what are the portions we have to revise in Unit 1. Look at this content page. In this page 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3, 1.4. So 1.1 to 1.4 we have totally 4 sections. So today we are going to revise up to exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, remaining portions we can continue in that next class. Listen, Unit 1, set language. So look at the mathematician. The theory of set was developed by mathematician George Cantor. He is German mathematician. His name is John Cantor. So let's go through that. The unit is set language. What is meant by set? I hope you already learned when you are in the online class. So set definition is given here. Look at set is a well-defined object. Look at set. Set is a well-defined object. What is the meaning of well-defined? Look at the examples are given here. Look at the first picture. The picture contains only the fruits. So we can say it is a set of fruits. We can't allow here vegetables because if it is set means that should be well-defined. So we can say it is a set of fruits. So look at here that is the set of, next one is the set of electrical items. So set definition is very important. Set is a well-defined collection or examples are given here. The collection of all books in the district central library, the collection of all colors in the rainbow, then the collection of prime numbers. So these are the example of set. Okay, next look at how can we express the set. How can we express the set? So we have some proper method to express the set. If you fail to do that, definitely you will get wrong mark. So you should follow it properly. A set is usually denoted by capital letters. We should name the set as with capital letters, set with capital alphabets. As your wish you can use. You have 26 alphabets. As your wish you can use any alphabet, but that should be capital letter. Example they given us capital A, capital B, capital P, capital Q, capital X, capital Y, etc. they given here. Also, for example, look at down, consider the set A. They given in capital letters. Okay, they denote the set in capital letter. Next one, the element of a set is written with the curly bracket. I hope you all know this bracket, curly brackets. Now come down for the example. Look at that. They use the curly bracket here, curly bracket. So always you should use the set in curly bracket. Next, if X is the element of a set A or X belongs to A, we can write this is, we can say as X belongs to. It is looking like E. Am I right? Actually, we have to pronounce that belongs to. X belongs to A. It is known as X belongs to A. If X is the element of A, for example, come down and look at the example. For example, consider the set A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. So this contains only 4 elements. The elements are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So look at next one. 2 is the element of A. You can see that. Then we can say 2 belongs to A. 5 is the element of A. Then we can say that, we can write that 5 belongs to A. Look at next one, 6. They consider the letters, the number 6. Look at there, is that in that set? No, the set contains only 2, 3, 5 and 7. It doesn't contain the number 6. So we can say that 6 does not belongs to A. If A is not an element of the set A, then we can say X does not belongs to A. So if that's an element, we can say it is belongs to. If that's not an element, we can say that does not belongs to. Example is given. Example 1.1. Look at the example 1.1. Consider the set. Consider the set A. This is the question. A equal to, they given in capital letter because that is set. A equal to Ashwin. Set of all Ashwin, Murali Vijay, Vijay Shankar, Badrinath. So 4 cricketer name. That's a cricketer name. The set A contains 4 cricketers. The question is, fill in the blanks with the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. You know that where we have to use belongs to and where we can use the does not belongs to. So if that is the element, we can use belongs to. If that's not an element, we can use does not belongs to. First one, Murali Vijay. Look at Murali Vijay dash A. Look at Murali Vijay is in the set A or not? Yeah, Murali Vijay is in the set of A. So we can say that Murali Vijay belongs to the set A. Ashwin dash A. Then tell me, look at the set A. Ashwin is in the set A. So we can say Ashwin is belongs to the set A. Badrinath. Look at there, Badrinath also in the set A. So we can say Badrinath belongs to A. Ganguly. Look at, we have only 4 names but Ganguly is not there. So we can say Ganguly does not belongs to A. Then Tendulkar. Tendulkar also not there. So we can say that Tendulkar does not belongs to set A. So a solution is given there. You can check. Using this, we are going to do some exercise. You can clear about that. So next one is representation of set. How can we represent a set? We have few methods to represent a set. Okay, the first one is descriptive form. The meaning of descriptive is, descriptive form a set is described in words. So before we use that in symbol, look, A equal to set of all, not like that. That should be in words, okay. For example, the set of all vowels in English alphabets. They given in the, here is no, yeah. Then the set of all whole numbers. It is in words, okay. Descriptive form means words, using words, don't forget it. Next one is builder form or rule form. This is the proper method of set. It is the rule to write that. So set builder form. Next one is set builder form, otherwise rule form. In set builder form, all the elements are descriptive by rule. So we are going to describe by rule. We are going to follow rules in this set builder form. Look at that. X equal to set of all. X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. The symbol. Look at the note. The symbol like a colon or the slash. This we have to read as such that. Look at Look at the example x a equal to set x such that, set of all x such that. It is known as such that. Otherwise, the slash is known as such that. Okay. So, a equal to set of all. Curly bracket we are going to use for set. So, it is set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. Otherwise, x such that x is a whole number. Next one is roster form. Otherwise, tabular form. Roster form or tabular form. The set can be described by listening all the elements of a set. So here we are going to use numbers, numerical method. This is the method usually we will use. Okay. The previous one is rule. That's a standard form. We can say that is a standard form. It is casual form. We are using this method only. So in this roster form or tabular form, we can give importance to each and every elements. Look at that. A equal to set of all. The elements is given. Elements are A, E, I, O, U. That means vowels. The previous everything we told in words. That's vowels. But here we given that. What are the vowels? The elements are A, E, I, O, U. Same thing B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. That means whole number. The previous one we said that is a whole number. But here we given importance to the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. I hope you remember all these three methods. One is descriptive form. Next one is set builder form. That is rule form. Next one is roster form or tabular form. You have question to do that. Look at the next example 1.2. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. So roster form means last form. Usually we will give importance to the elements. So look at the first one. Assessment. So we have to write that set of numbers, set of letters. Okay, we have to write the set of letters. So you know assessment, we have some letters. What are the letters we are using? That letters we have to take and write. So x equal to capital X we are using because we are going to write the set of letters. There is a set, so you can use the capital X. Capital X equal to set of all. The elements are letter A. Then next letter is S. Again next letter is S. Yes, you no need to write that because already we written the S. Then E. Then next again two S's are there. Already we written the S. Then M. E already written. N. T. I hope you understand that. The same principle. Set of letters. We are using here P, R, I, N, C. I already written, so just leave it. P already written, leave it. Then A, L. Okay. Now, come to exercise 1.1. Just try to answer with me, okay. Exercise 1.1. Which of the following are set? Before that, remember what is set? Set is a well-defined object. Am I right? Set is a well-defined collection of object. Well-defined collection of object. So, the collection of prime number up to 100. Is it a set? Tell me, is it a set? Yes, it is a set because it is well-defined. Well-defined. They given the number should be prime number. So, it is well-defined. So, we can say it is a set. Next one, the collection of rich people in India. Is it a set? Those who are rich, then tomorrow they can be poor. Those who are poor, tomorrow they can be rich. That's not in our hand. So, it is not well defined. So, it is not a set. Next one, the collection of third one, collection of all rivers in India. Now, you know that so many rivers are in India. So, that is well defined. You cannot change it. The collection of good hockey players. What is this? Good hockey players. Can you say that good hockey players? Those who perform well, we can say that persons are good. The next match, they cannot be perform well. So, we cannot say good player or not. So it is not a set because it's not well defined. Okay, so first one completed. Next one, the set of all letters. The set of all letters of the following word in roster form. So you know about roster form. Can you do that? India. First one is India. How can you write? You can denote the set with any English alphabet. For example, only one problem I'll do now. I can use the English alphabet A to denote the set. This is A equal to. Tell me what are the set? You can use the curly bracket. The letters are I, then N, then D, then I already written A. So using this letter we can form this word India. So don't forget it. I hope you all know this because it's very simple thing. Let's go to the remaining problems. Remaining means India we did now. The next 2, 3 and 4. Try it. Third one, we can go to the third one. Consider the following set A equal to set of all 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 8. Then B is given, C is given. Look at the third problem. Consider the following set. A is given, then B is given and C is given. State whether true or false. They are asking 8 is belong to C. You know the meaning of belongs to. If 18 is in the set C, we can say 18 belongs to C. So check the set C. Not A, not B. Just look at the set C and tell me. In set C, we have 12, 14, 18 and 20. Look at 18 is here in the set C. So this statement is true. 18 belongs to C. That is true. Like that, can you check the remaining? Second one, look at the second one. 6 does not belongs to A. Look at in the set A, they said that A is not, 6 is not in A. Check it. Yeah, 6 is not in A. So we can say it is correct statement. So have to do the remaining like the same. The 14 does not belongs to C. Look at C. 14 is in C. Why they are given that 14 does not belongs to C? That is wrong. Next fourth one. 10 belongs to B. Yeah. In the set B, we have 10 here. So we can say 10 belongs to B. It's right. Now, B part. Look at the B part. 3 belongs to which set? In that question, they given 3 sets. The sets are A, B, C. They given that 3 sets. They are asking 3 belongs to which set? Look at A. Check A. Yeah, in A there is 3. So we can say that 3 belongs to the set A. Next one. 14 belongs to which set? Check where is 14. 14 is not in A, 14 is not in B, 14 is in C. So we can say 14 belongs to the set C, capital C, okay. Then 18 belongs to or does not belongs to B. Check it. B. B, there is no 18. So 18 does not belongs to B. 4 dash B. Look at 4 in B. Yeah, here it is B. You have 4. So we can say 4 belongs to B. Clear? Fourth problem. Look at the fourth problem. Represent the following set in roster form. You know about roster form? Roster form means we have to describe the set with the elements. We have to describe the set with elements. Look at the set A. A equal to set of all even natural numbers less than 20. So this is a set A. They given in the capital letter. You know, it is in the form of descriptive form. It is in descriptive form. We have to write that in roster form. So we can write that set A equal to. We are going to describe with elements. What are the elements? Tell me. Set of all even natural numbers. So you know about even numbers. Even number means 2, 4, 6, etc. But that should be less than 20. Not 20. That should be less than 20. How? You can write that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. The next number is 20, but we don't need that. They ask only the numbers less than 20. So we can stop up to that 18. Clear now? Okay, next we can go to the next one. B equal to set of all y such that y equal to 1 by 2n. This n belongs to capital N. Capital N means set of all natural number. Also the number n less than or equal to 5. Now the natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. But we need the numbers less than or equal to 5. We need only the numbers up to 5 enough. So the set will be B equal to set of all y. How the y will be? If you put 1 for n, we will get 1 by 2 into 1. If you put 2 for this n, 2 into 2. Then if you put 3 for this n, 2 into 3. Then 2 into 4. Next 1 by 2 into 5. Do you need to use 6? No need, because they given the rule as n less than or equal to 5. So how the set will be? B equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. This is the question. So we return that in roster form. This question is in, tell me, this question is in set builder form, otherwise ruler form. We change that into the roster form. Next question. C equal to set of all x such that x is a perfect cube. Then 27 less than x less than 216. So it is in the form of set builder form, otherwise roster form. We have to write that in set builder form, otherwise ruler form. We have to write that in roster form. So C equal to, so this x will be, yeah, our elements are x. This x will be a perfect cube number. What is mean by cube? So 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube is 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. So look at our question. Our x in between the number 27, also the number 216. So in between that, what are the numbers will come? That are the answers. So 27 after 4 cube. What is the 4 cube number? Tell me. 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4, 64. Then 5 cube. 25. 25 into 5, 125. So we can write 125. Just we can try that in 6 cube. 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36 into the 6. What will come? 6. 18 plus 3. So next one is 216. So in between 27 and 216 we have the number 64 and 125. Next one. A equal to set of all x such that x belongs to Z and minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 2. So we have to write in roster form. Our set D will be D equal to, our x elements will be 5 less than or equal to, Z mean integer, set of all integer. How the Z will be? Etc. Minus numbers will come, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, etc. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, this set of all integers. This our set start from not minus 5, so minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, less than or equal to they given, so we can use 2 also. Here they didn't given the equal to. If they given equal to, we can use minus 5, but they didn't give equal to, so we should not use the minus 5. Okay, next problem. Number 5, represent the following set in set builder form. No, set builder form means you have to use the proper rule, because another name of the set builder form is ruler form. B equal to set of all the cricket players in India who scored double century in one day international crickets. So it is in the form of descriptive form. We have to write that in builder form. So how can you write? B equal to set of all x such that x is an Indian player who scored double century. That's all. Clear now? You have to use set of all x, then x such that. You can use the slash, otherwise you can use this 2 dots. Next one. Second one. C equal to, they given in that which form? Roster form. We have to write that in set builder form. So C equal to set of all. Look at here, they denoted as 1, 2, 3, etc. The numerator will be 1, 2, 3, etc. So we can write n by. So if there is 1, here they given us 2. That means one number more than 2. If there is 2, the one number more than 2. If there is 3, one number more than 4. So if there are n, one number more than n, that is n plus 1. Okay, this is the form. Okay, this I said that this is the form of that given number. How can you write that? C equal to set of all x such that x equal to x, which is in the form of n by n plus 1. Also this n belongs to natural numbers, because we didn't use 0. If we use 0, we can say there is a whole number. We didn't use the negative numbers, so that's not in integers. Thus we use only the numbers start from 1 to etc. So that is known as natural number. Clear now? Next one. D equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. What are the Tamil months in a year? How can you write it? D equal to the set of all x such that x is a Tamil months in a year. That's all. Simple thing. Next one. Can you do that? Just try this one. Next one. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. You know about descriptive form means we are going to describe in words. That is known as descriptive form. P equal to January, June and July. How can we write it? What is the similarity there? Yeah, all the months start from J. You have 12 months. Can you find any other month start from J? In January to December? No, only these 3 months start from J. So, in descriptive form, you can say that P equal to the set of English months starting with the letter J. J. The set of all English months starting with the letter J. This is. Next one. Q equal to, look at the number 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These all are odd, not odd, sorry. These are all prime numbers. These are all prime numbers. You know about prime numbers? Prime number means that factor should be 1 and the number itself. You can't find any more factors. That is known as prime numbers. So how can we write that in descriptive form? Q equal to, there should not be any symbol, there should not be any words, any numbers. You are going to describe using words. The set of all prime numbers between 5 and 31. We are not including this 5. We are not including this 31. In between that, the prime numbers are 7 to 29. Otherwise, you can write that the set of all prime numbers from 9 to 29. Next one, look at R. They given R equal to set of all x such that x belongs to natural number. Also, x less than 5. No, natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, etc. All the positive numbers. So, we can say that R equal to set of all, the set of all natural numbers less than 5. That's all. Clear? Last question, you have to do that. S equal to set of all x. X is a consonant in English alphabet. So what are the consonants? You know that. But in descriptive form, we are going to express in words. So S equal to the set of all consonants in English alphabets. That's all. Just we revise the exercise 1.1. I hope you all understand that. I reteach this portion. So students, it is the basic thing in this for your 10th, 11th and 12th, also your higher studies. It's the basic things, also important part of mathematics. So just give importance to this lesson and study this well. All the best. Thank you.